was looking around. I was like, I don't see her yet.
Yeah, I tried. I hope you bust that bitch.
Man, that's what I'm hoping.
I pray. I bust that motherfucker.
Yeah.
What it is?
That's what I'm hoping. Oh,
24K.
yeah.
You know you can't turn the machine all the way down.
Yeah,
I
I know.
peeped it.
Yeah, they don't want you to.
Come on, baby.
Come on, man. I want like $300 or $400 in this motherfucker. I said, give me some hundreds. If you ain't gonna give me no thousands, give me some hundreds in this motherfucker.
You put $400 in it.
No, I said, if they ain't gonna give me no hundreds, give me some. If you ain't gonna give me no thousands, give me some hundreds, man. Got bingo. That's 5 This little motherfucker was stuck and I was about to get up. He would not hit on the bonus round. I need another ball. I need another ball. Another earth. Need another earth, y'all. I need another earth, y'all. Come on. Alright, that's a good ass ride. She put out tonight. Yeah, she put out tonight. I'm happy with this. Let me see what she's doing today. Look at her. Yeah, she's still on fire, man. Yeah. Let me see what she got. Let me see what she doing. Hey. It's a luck of the draw. I've been all around this motherfucker. Yep. Minor. That's it, 22. Oh, 20, man. Yeah. But if I would have got a minor, it would have made me spin again. I would have spun the wheel again. That's how I got to that. I spent the wheel 3 times. Yeah.